Priyanka, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Mandir Sale. So they have a huge sale going on right now in their Banjara Hill store. It just started today, so it's from 14th to 20th July, and they have up to 50% off. Most of the collection is on 30% off at least. So you can visit the store and purchase them, and this sale is only in their Banjara Hill store and it's not applicable to the online store. So usually they have this YouTube channel where they post live videos and you get them at viewers price when you order right away. Like I think that price is applicable only for that particular day, like for 24 hours or something. So that's the sale usually, which really works well. So I posted one video on my English channel and one on my Telugu channel as well. So those were my online purchases, and when you order from their YouTube channel or their live, basically you get them at viewers price towards that collection. So you can check out those videos also if you like to see the Paithani collection that they have, the quality and everything before you go to the store, or if you like to order online, you can check out those videos to just get an idea. I've shown quite a lot of sarees in that. So this sale right now is just in the Banjara Hill store. So downstairs they have like all fancy collection and lehengas and blouses, like ready-made blouses and all that. And on the top floor they have like kanchi pattu, they have Banaras, and they have Paithani silk, and they have like Gadwal, Venkatgiri and other varieties on the top floor. So here we saw a lot of Banaras Paithani and pure Paithani silk as well. And pure Paithani, there were few available under 20,000, while the pure silk ones are around 30 to 50,000 and even higher. They have very beautiful collection and they have like a lot of colors and different designs available in this. So this particular sari was very unique. This one is like a mix of Lucknow work with Paithani borders and Paithani pallu. So this one was priced at like 1,25,000 or something. It looked really different, but obviously it's very expensive. And there's also pen Kalamkari with kanchi border. And there's like different varieties of saris here, and there's a lot of variety in Banaras Sarees. So these Banaras Sarees are under 10,000. So mostly they're priced around 13 to 16,000, and there's like 30% off on all of this collection. So this Katan silk sarees are very beautiful. They have a lot of color options in these as well, and every color combination is actually so beautiful. And you can see that they look so rich. All of them are so beautiful. So these are some of the collection which are so elegant and very rich. And in the Kanjivaram sarees also, there's like some options in bridals and there's some options in general Kanjivaram sarees also. There's a lot of pastels and there's a lot of good color combinations here also. And these are priced around 20 to like 40,000. Again, they're all on 30% off. The collection did seem a little limited. They do not have like a huge variety, but there's a lot of options that you can choose from. There's plain sarees with the same color border. These are priced around 17,000, 15,000. These are also on 30% off. So the entire section mostly is on 30% off. Most of the sarees are on 30% off. So that was the collection that we saw. Now I'll show you guys what we picked up, and basically if you miss out the sale also, you can purchase online even if you're not from Hyderabad. I'll link their website and their YouTube channel, so you can check their YouTube live and basically purchase them. Now I'll show you guys what we got, and before we get into the haul, I wanted to let you guys know that you can purchase Banaras dupattas and Kalamkari dupattas now from my website. It's called Priyanka Boppana Official. A lot of you guys really enjoyed the last pop-up, the last drop. Now I have some new stock, so you can purchase from the website directly. So do check it out. There's beautiful collection of Banarasi dupattas and Kalamkari dupattas. There's a lot of variety. So yeah, you can get your hands on those, and they're priced very affordably. So do check it out. And now let's begin, and I'll show you guys what we picked up. So from today's sale, the current sale, we got this. Such beautiful packaging. I think when you order online also you get this packaging. Depends on probably what you purchase. Depends on the saree. So anyway, this is the packaging. So we picked up one of the Katan silk sarees which I showed you guys. There were a lot of them available, and the color combinations were very beautiful. So we picked up this. So we were a little skeptical, like the green with pink border also looked really beautiful. We looked at a couple of them, but only when we like put them on and So this one looked really grand. Not sure if the camera is actually doing justice to its beauty, but this one looked really grand. So we picked up this one. This one looked even more grand, even compared to the kanjivarams which we actually put aside. So there was a peach color kanjivaram which looked so beautiful, but in the foldings there was some dust, or basically there were some lines. I'm not really sure. We felt like maybe it was not worth it. So when you're purchasing, because these are all on sale, some of them might be older stock, some of them might be the new stock as well. So make sure that you open them and check before you build them, because I've seen a couple of them which sort of the threads were gone, or like basically there's dust in the foldings. Not everything. Some of them were really good quality, some of them were like really new and nice, but there were a few, so do make sure to check. I think with that we bid goodbye to any future Mandir collaborations. But anyway, moving on. So we picked up with this. So this has like double shade. It is a nice pinkish peach with like all this nice Rani pink border. Here also it looks really beautiful. It has like red motifs. These are red and gold. Sort of very beautiful. I'll try and like give close up. So the sari is originally priced at 15,670 rupees, and this was on 30% off. So I'll put the final price here. It was around 10,900 change. But it looks really grand. So initially I was hoping that it would come for much lesser price, but when worn, it looks really grand. So ended up getting this. Let me just open it up a little bit and show you guys. So this is the pallu. So it has a very beautiful dark pink pallu, and this is the actual sari. So this is sort of peachish pink. It has like a double shade, as you can see, with this pink pallu and the red motifs and all. It looks really grand. So this must be the blouse. Yeah. So this is the blouse. So these will be the hands, the borders here. Again, that's the pallu. This is our sari. So this will go in the pleats, right? So this will be the bottom part of it. So that's the sari, you guys. I'm not draping it and showing you guys because it's a pretty new one, and basically you'll probably wear it for some wedding. But a very beautiful color, you guys. So there's a lot of beautiful collection in these Katan silks, so do check it out. So if you follow them frequently on their YouTube channel, then you'll be able to find good collection. And some of you guys who are in US or other countries also, you can order directly from their website or like WhatsApp. So it's a pretty great deal, even if you're not in Hyderabad right now. If you're gifting it to someone here, so it's a pretty good option. Do check it out. So this is the only thing that we picked up from today's sale, but I have a couple of other saris which I want to show you guys, which we picked up from the online sale. So this is one of the saris that we got from the online sale. That is the YouTube channel live sale. So this is a very beautiful sari again, like a very nice lemon yellow. It has the silver zari here. And for the pallu, it actually has these tie-up knots. Looks very pretty. A very beautiful color, and this came with two blouses actually. It came with the self-running blouse, and it also came with this contrast blouse, which is a ready-made one, which is a pretty good deal actually, which I'm surprised. So this is the blouse that it came with. So pretty, right? Like a really nice beaded work all over, and it is such a beautiful purple. It's such a good combination with the lemon yellow. So this is what it looks like. The work here is also very beautiful, and it has these tie-up knots. Just look at the color combination, you guys. This yellow with this purple looks so gorgeous. So pretty, right? This one is originally priced at 8,100, and in the weaver's price we got it for around 6,000 something. So the weaver's prices are really good. So if you're looking to purchase online, then it's a great time to get them online. So do check their YouTube channel and you can purchase online. So this is the pallu. The pallu has these knots, and this is the pallu. So this is what it looks like. So it has like a plain yellow cloth for the blouse and just the silver border. So I think the contrast blouse really does the pricing also very good justice. So that's pretty amazing. So it's such a beautiful color combination. It looks so good. Very nice for like simple parties or like wedding occasions. Such a beautiful color combination. Absolutely love this one as well. Next one, it's again a pastel. This is a very beautiful digital print sari. It's so pretty, you guys, and so soft. It has like flowers all over, and at the end it has this lace detailing, and this is the other side of it. So beautiful, right? It has such beautiful lace detailing and work detailing here. So this is what the sari looks like. The entire flowers and everything is like a digital print, and here at the bottom it has this really beautiful lace detailing, and as you can see the pallu has really nice picot done here, and even here at the pallu also it has very beautiful work. Looks so fancy and like very different. So this is the pallu. Has rose embroidery here also. This looks like machine work, but yeah, it looks very beautiful. A pretty blouse. Even the blouse is so beautiful, you guys. Just look at it. So pretty. So that's the border. Just looks so pretty, right? And let me tell you guys the price. So this one is priced at 6,600, and at Viva's price I think we got it for like 5,000 something. It's a very pretty sari, you guys. So beautiful. If you have like simple parties, I think this would look great. Like totally so beautiful, so fresh, and you know, a very beautiful nice pastel color. So that is it for today's haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this was informative. The sale that's going on in the Banjara Hills branch is till 20th. So it just started today. So it's going on for a couple of days. So do check it out. You will find really beautiful fancy sarees and like kanjivarams and Banaras Sarees. And if you're looking to shop online, then you should check out their YouTube channel and their website. So even if you're not from Hyderabad, so you can still purchase online, and they have shipping all over the world, so which is pretty amazing. So yeah, do check it out. And that is it for today's video, you guys. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope this was informative. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch, and also don't forget to check out my website. You can find really beautiful Banarasi dupattas and Kalamkari dupattas, and I have a lot more coming up, and some outfits that you guys have been asking, lehengas and crop tops. If you have any suggestions, also do let me know in the comments below, or basically you can leave comments on my Instagram page, which is Priyanka Boppana official. That's the store's Instagram page, so you can leave comments there as well. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Do find me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my Telugu channel. I have videos coming up there and on this channel as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.